Let's do another one that's related to rates. Here we have carbon-14 and we're given a half-life, and it tells us it's a first order reaction. And this says it's converted 25% of the carbon-14. How old is it? So the first thing we need, and these would be given, so if you don't happen to remember the half-life shortcut for a first order reaction, that's okay. You would be given, or at least have to remember, a rate law, and the one with the natural logs is the one that belongs to first order. Okay, so we know at the half-life, half of it has been converted. So that would be natural log. Half is gone, half remains. So half remains. Negative K. It tells us the half-life, 5, 7, 20 years, plus the natural log. Here we're starting out with 100% or all of it. Natural log of 1 is 0. All right, so let's do natural log of 0.5. All right, here let's divide this by negative 5720 years. So divided by negative 5720. All right, so see how the negatives cancel there? So your K value should always be positive, remember that. 1, let's put another one. 10 to the negative 4th, and then I'm just gonna put per year. Or you could put years to the minus 1. And that's what K equals. Now, the tricky part here is reading the language. So we know what our rate law is. We know how we figured out how to plug it in to get half-life. If you didn't remember the shortcut, that's okay. You can look it up, or you can just do it how I did it, because that's how I usually do it every time. Okay, it's still a first order reaction. This time, it says it's converted 25%. How much of it remains? Hopefully you can say, Dr. B, that's 75%. I'm going to do it as a decimal. 75% is a decimal. Equals negative. We know what K is. 1.211, 10 to the negative 4th. Here, I'll write inverse years. And now we're solving for T. Plus, we're always starting with 100%, or all of it. So that's still 0. All right, so let's do natural log 0.75 divided by negative 1.211, 10 to the minus 4. 2376. 2376 years. Yours may be a little bit different depending on how you round. That's okay.